and welcome to Michelle's Home Cooking. I'm Michelle. Today I want to share with you my recipe for my homemade turkey gravy. My homemade turkey gravy is easy to prepare, it's extremely delicious, and you can serve this over your turkey, your rice, and your potatoes, but I especially like mine over my dressing. And I know some of y'all like cranberry sauce over your dressing, but that's another story. This recipe is so good, you'll never buy jar gravy again. Before we get started, let's go over the ingredients to make this homemade turkey gravy. To make this gravy, you will need the turkey neck, the turkey tail, the gizzard, and the heart. You're going to need a chopped yellow onion, chopped bell pepper, a chopped celery, some minced garlic, some flour, some butter, and I like to use salted butter, some chicken bouillon, some salt, pepper, my down-home seasoning blend, my house seasoning blend, and of course some water. And you can get the recipes for my house seasoning blend and my down-home seasoning blend off my website at michelleshomecooking.com. Now, in this saucepan over medium heat, we're going to melt our butter. And once this butter is melted, next we're going to add our flour. Okay, so now is a good time now to stir in your flour. And you want to continually stir. And we want to brown this so we get a nice golden brown color so our gravy will be beautiful. And you're going to continue stirring, breaking up all the lumps and clumps, so you can have a smooth sauce. Okay, now that looks good. The next thing we want to add is our onion. Followed by our bell pepper and celery. And you want to continue to stir and cook this for about 3 minutes, just until the vegetables are translucent and softened. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, that looks good. Next we want to add our garlic. And you only want to cook your garlic for 30 seconds. You don't want your garlic to burn. Burned garlic does not taste good at all. Okay, next you want to add your water. And you want to stir this and bring this up to a boil. Now that our mixture has come to a boil, it's time to stir in our seasonings. So now we're going to add our down-home seasoning blend, our house seasoning blend, the salt and the pepper, and the chicken bouillon cubes. And now we're going to stir. Next, we're going to add in the meat, which is going to be the turkey neck, the turkey tail, the gizzard, and the heart. Now, we're going to cover this and reduce this down to low and simmer this for 4 hours. After that, I'll show you what to do next. My gravy's done. It's been cooking for about 4 hours. Everything is tender, cooked down, and it's a great consistency. Now, what I'm going to do is strain it. So I'm going to pour this over here over into my strainer. Okay. And I'm going to discard all of the solids. And what I want you to do is check out this consistency. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful color. It tastes just as good as it looks. And again, this is great over your rice, your potatoes, and you know me, I like this over my dressing. Now, to get this recipe, head over to michelleshomecooking.com, and if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Coming up next, my recipe for my slamming collard greens. See you soon.